Imagine waking up one day to find that AI has taken over your job, outperforms doctors in diagnosing diseases, and even writes better poetry than Shakespeare. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it might not be. Artificial intelligence is advancing at a mind-blowing pace, but can it ever truly surpass human intelligence? Or is there something unique about the human mind that AI can never replicate? Let's dive into the battle of AI versus human intelligence and find out why this matters. AI is already transforming industries: self-driving cars, chatbots, virtual assistants, and even AI-generated art. It's making us more productive than ever. But here's the big question. Will AI reach a point where it outthinks, outperforms, and outsmarts humans in everything? This isn't just about technology, it's about the future of humanity. Should we be excited or worried? Let's compare AI and human intelligence head-to-head to see if we're headed toward an AI-dominated world, or if human intelligence will always have the upper hand. Breaking down the comparison. 1. Speed and productivity. AI takes the lead. Let's be honest, when it comes to speed, AI wins by a landslide. AI can process billions of calculations in seconds. It can analyze massive datasets faster than any human could in a lifetime. AI-powered medical software can scan thousands of X-rays in minutes, spotting diseases with higher accuracy than human doctors. AI in finance predicts stock market trends, executing trades in milliseconds, something impossible for even the smartest human investors. When it comes to raw processing power and productivity, AI is already ahead. But intelligence isn't just about speed, right? 2. Creativity and innovation, the human edge. Can AI be truly creative? Sure, AI can generate paintings, write stories, and even compose music. But here's the catch, it's all based on patterns and data it has learned from humans. AI art programs like DALL-E can create stunning visuals, but they're remixing existing styles, not inventing something entirely new. AI can write stories, but does it feel emotion? Can it create something that resonates deeply with the human experience? True creativity comes from emotions, experiences, and a deep understanding of the world, something AI still lacks. 3. Problem solving and decision making, who's smarter? AI is great at solving specific problems, like optimizing traffic routes or diagnosing diseases. But human intelligence is general purpose, capable of adapting to entirely new situations. Example: AI can play chess better than any human, but if you throw that same AI into a completely different scenario, like negotiating a peace treaty, it wouldn't know what to do. Humans, on the other hand, can think outside the box, connect ideas, and adapt in unpredictable environments. AI is powerful, but it lacks common sense, intuition, and an understanding of context the way humans do. 4. Emotional intelligence and consciousness. AI's biggest limitation. This is where AI completely fails. AI doesn't have emotions, self-awareness, or a real understanding of human psychology. AI chatbots can mimic empathy, but they don't actually feel anything. AI can simulate a conversation, but it doesn't experience love, sadness, or joy. Humans connect through emotions, intuition, and experiences. No matter how advanced AI becomes, it lacks consciousness, which is arguably the most important part of intelligence. The verdict: who wins? So, will AI ever surpass human intelligence completely? Short answer: no, but also, kind of. AI already surpasses humans in specific tasks like calculations, data analysis, and automation. But when it comes to creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability, humans still hold the upper hand. The real future isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about humans and AI working together. The smartest move isn't fearing AI but learning how to use it to enhance our intelligence and productivity. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think AI will ever develop emotions or true consciousness? Should we be excited or worried about the rise of AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into AI versus human intelligence, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing tech content. See you in the next video.